Imagine the feeling of the soft cotton t-shirt against your skin. Have you ever thought about fabric started as a simple plant? Cotton is one of the most widely used fabric in the world. Understanding how it was made can give us a new appreciation for the effort and the process behind what we wear every day. Cotton goes through multiple stages to become fabric. Today, I'll be talking about 3 points. First, how cotton is grown and harvested. Second, the process of cleaning and spinning cotton fibers. How cotton fibers are woven into fabric. Let's start with the first stage, how cotton is grown and harvested. According to the National Cotton Council, cotton is primarily grown in warm climates where the plant can thrive under the sun. Farmers plant cotton seed in spring, and after several months, the plant blooms into fluffy white fiber. I once visited a cotton farm, and I saw in first hand how plants were carefully cultivated before being harvested. The field looked like they were covered in snow, and it was incredible to see the cotton fiber ready to be picked. When it's time to harvest, farmers use large machines that move quickly through the field, pulling the cotton from the plant while leaving the stems behind. In smaller farms, cotton is picked by hand, a process that takes time. Now that we know how cotton is harvested, let's talk about what happens next, cleaning and spinning the fiber. Once cotton is harvested, it is simple to clean to remove dirt, seeds, and impurities. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, the process is called ginning, which separates cotton fiber and makes them soft and ready for spinning. I once watched a documentary that showed this process. It was fascinating to see large machine working to remove tiny seeds from fluffy cotton. The transformation from raw fiber to clean material happened very quickly. After cotton is cleaned, it is spun into long strands by twisting the fibers together. These strands create a strong thread that can be used for weaving fabric. According to American Textile Institute, modern spinning mills use very high automated machines that can spin cotton fibers into thread in a minute. I saw a video of spinning mills where a machine worked rapidly, transforming cotton into tightly coiled spool of thread. We talked about how cotton is grown and cleaned, and how cotton is spun into thread. Now for the third and final point, let's talk about weaving cotton into fabric. After the cotton is spun into thread, it is woven into fabric using large machines called looms. The American Textile Institute states that the different weaving techniques create textures from soft to thick, durable denim. I once saw a hand weaving demonstration where a craftsman skillfully worked a loom, threading cotton yarn over and under to create a simple cloth. Watching the process made me appreciate the effort that goes through creating a small piece of fabric. In modern factories, large automated looms worked at an incredible speed to produce thousands of fabric every day. The woven fabric is then dried, softened, prepared for use in clothing, bedsheet, and other household. In conclusion, cotton goes through multiple stages to become fabric. Today, I've talked about 3 points. First, how cotton is grown and harvested. For example, farmer plants and pick cotton in warm climate using machine or even by hand. Second, how cotton fibers are cleaned and spun. For example, cotton goes through ginning to remove impurities before being spun into thread. Third, how cotton is woven into fabric. Factory use looms to weave cotton's thread into different types of fabric. Next time you put on a t-shirt, remember the incredible journey it took from a tiny seed in the field to the fabric that it is on your back.